Hey guys, each step is important. Don't skip any steps. I am going to show you how to hide recycle bin on Windows 11. You need to just right click on desktop. Then select personalize option. It will open new window. Then click on themes. On the right side, you will get related settings. In that, click on desktop icon settings. In the desktop icon section, you need to uncheck this box for recycle bin. And click on apply and click on OK. Close this tab. Go back to desktop. And here we go. Don't forget to like video. You're good to go.